Hey guys, we're live at 6:53 p.m. I'm going to copy this list of 50 spots on the way up. We're running the third in a mini battle for our Super 18 winner Power of the Force battle. Ooh, there it is. There are some sweet peaches there. Top 6 win spots in the main. I'm going to paste in here. There they be, 1 through 50. Going to roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5. We got a 9er. We're good to go. Good luck, guys. Top 6, again, win spots in the main. Adam in the top spot for our first round, round 1. Gary 2. Josh 3. Phil 4. Lucas 5. Eric 6. Ryan 7. Josh in the top spot for our next to last round, round 8, which means we have come to the final round. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Some very nice stuff up for grabs here. And our winners are Eric Rand, Eric Nelson, Dennis, Steve, Adam, and Eric Nelson. Again, congratulations, fellas. Verification code to official results, WKIA-EB. There's our top 6. Again, congratulations to our winners. I'm done at 6:54 p.m. on a Saturday night. Again, here's the official results. Congrats to the winners. See you guys in the main. Thanks.